guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a fun DIY. So for the DIY today we're going to be using modeling clay. This is a fun activity if it's raining or if your parents kick you off technology. Today we're going to be making a mini beach. Okay guys, this is what we'll need. We'll need some wire, cardboard, some modeling clay, and some scissors. So this, guys, is actually just $2.99. You guys can get this from a $2 shop. It's not expensive, so your parents don't have to buy stuff that costs a lot of money. And it's good because it comes with all these colors and some modeling things. Oh, yes! Yes, the plastic's on it. Oh, yes! So, these are the colors that you will need. You'll need brown, black, white, orange, yellow, and blue and green. So before I mix all the colors together to make the right thing for this, I'm going to cut out my piece of cardboard. So I'm going to do like about up to here with my cardboard. You guys can make it however big you want it to be. Enough with the clay. Okay, there we go. Now that I've got my piece of cardboard, let's start making it. Yay! Let's put that back down. So what you need to make the sand color is yellow and orange. So you can get that sandy look, you know what I'm saying? This much orange. This much yellow. So what you want to do is I'm going to put them side by side. Do this to make a little creation and ruin the creation. And make it look like a fire while you're kneading it. So it looks cool. Then you want to keep on kneading it. This is what the color should come out like. A nice orangey, like sunny color. I ended up using the whole entire yellow stick. That's a lot of yellow. So what you want to do is get your piece of cardboard. And I started off with this one, rolling it into a ball, like this. Then, what you need to do is like put it onto it, and like bend it down like this. It's okay if you guys go like off the edge, it's fine, because we can just take it off at the end. I like having like mountains on my thing. Now what we're going to do is just press this down like that, so it comes on this side. Then after you do that, you can make sure that blend it into it and make it look as much natural. So this part is the sand, and the beach part is the sea will be right here. That's the word. So for the sea, we'll need blue, white, and green. So what we need is to take the same amount of all of them, so just make the exact same measurement, the exact same. Now what we're going to do is knead it. A beautiful creation. Hey. Okay, there we go. Oh, this clay's hard to use. So guys, you don't need to mix all of it together, otherwise you won't get that beachy sea look, because the beach actually has multiple colours in the water, and because of the sun reflecting on all the coral at the bottom. So what you want to do is place it on like this, like just how we did for the mountain, but make sure it's nice and flat. Like you guys can make it go like up higher or lower, over the side. So now what we're going to be doing is the part right in here, the nice white part where the waves are actually crashing down onto the beach, like all the froth. So what we're going to need is some white, and we just want to like roll that out to make it like a snake, like a wavy snake. There we go, like this. How thin that is. So what you're going to do is going to outline the edge of the water. So now that we've done that, you just want to push it down. Oh, okay. So for this part, like the waves crashing down, I'm just going to use some wire. You guys can use anything you want to make this, like all the like lumps and stuff in here. Okay, so now what you want to do is press it again to make sure it's where you want it to be. You want to get the piece of wire and sort of like push it, like all different directions like that, like push it up, like do this for all of it. So this might take a while for me, but we can maybe fast forward it. Yay, I did it! So now that I've made it all like this, it's like all like rough when you feel it, we are now done the waves crashing down. So now for the next part, we're going to be making the trees, like the palm trees I guess, onto the sand. So what you'll need for this is some green and some brown. See, the pack that we got didn't have brown, so we had to make the brown. You just need orange and purple and knead it together and it will make brown. Also you'll need is some wire. So you just want small pieces of wire, unless you like want big trees. So what I'm going to do again is like push onto here, do that, and then get the size that I need. Okay, so I got my 2 pieces of wire. Now I'm going to get the brown clay. And I'm actually going to wrap the clay with the wire onto the wire. Because the wire needs to stick down to it, but if you just use the clay, you'll have struggles like keeping it on. I'm going to roll it to make it like smoother. Okay, there we go. So now that we've wrapped the brown onto the piece of wire, we're going to be getting some green to make the trees. So for the trees, you just want to roll it into a ball. So this is what my tree is looking like now. You can have the green part any shape you want, like any. You can have like weird trees, you can have normal trees, you can have palm trees, any sorts of trees. Okay, now that I have finished making the trees, you just want to make sure there's like a piece of wire just sticking out, and you put that wherever you want onto your thing, but I'm going to put it on the mountain, like this. Just like that. Okay, so now that we're done that, we need to do the dolphins, well, the dolphin, but you can add more dolphin, and the texture to everything. So what you need for the dolphin is some black and white to make grey. Okay guys, you don't have to make a grey dolphin. You can make pink, you can make green dolphin, you can make a yellow dolphin, who knows? Make any dolphin you want. I'm going to make a grey dolphin. Okay, now that I am done kneading the white and black together, we want to make like a triangle shape with our fingers. Yeah, like that. And you want to get the top and you want to pull it back a little bit, because dolphins have their like fins like that. So when they go up in the water, it pushes the water forward so they can go faster. It's a fact. And you want to put that dolphin, just push it on like this. So now I'm going to show you what you will need to do to make the texture. So for the water, you want to make that wavy look with the stick, like do like up, down. We have to do like many different places. For the sand, you just want to poke holes into it. So that's what you'll need to do for those two. So I'm going to start with the sand. Now I'm going to do the waves. Okay, so now that I've done the texture, I have done the dots and the waves. You guys don't have to do this design. You can add a beach towel, you can add a boat, you can add whatever you want. You can make it your design. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you like this. Leave a big thumbs up and press the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I make new videos.